Bntouch CRM is a specialized customer relationship management tool designed for the mortgage industry. It provides mortgage professionals with a suite of tools to manage leads, communicate with clients, automate marketing, and streamline day-to-day operations. This beginner-friendly video gives a comprehensive overview of Bntouch CRM's essential features and benefits, explaining how to use them to maximize your productivity and efficiency. Bntouch CRM is specifically tailored to meet the needs of mortgage brokers and loan officers, helping them manage client relationships through its specialized features. The platform centralizes client interactions from lead generation to post-closing follow-ups, making it easier to track leads, build relationships, and keep clients engaged. Be in Touch is known for its intuitive interface and powerful automation tools, which can simplify complex tasks and ensure smooth communication between team members and clients. So for the key features and benefits is first the lead management. So it has the feature overview. So Be in Touch CRM offers robust lead management tools to capture, organize, and nurture potential clients. It enables users to track leads from various sources and assign tasks based on priority. This feature ensures that no lead is overlooked, allowing mortgage professionals to manage their pipeline efficiently and optimize conversion rates. By tracking each lead status and interactions, brokers can follow up at the right time, making client interactions more personalized and effective. Another key feature is the automated marketing. Be in Touch comes with built-in marketing automation, including email campaigns, text messages, and drip marketing sequences. Users can set up campaigns that are triggered based on client activity or lead stage. Automation saves time by reducing the need for manual follow-ups and repetitive messaging. These tools help maintain consistent communication with prospects and clients, enhancing client relationships while allowing brokers to focus on other tasks. Another feature is the customizable templates. The CRM includes a library of customizable templates for emails, text messages, and documents. Users can tailor each template to their branding and client needs. Customizable templates ensure that messaging remains consistent, professional, and on brand, enhancing client engagement. Templates for loan updates, follow up emails, and more help reduce administrative work and make interactions more efficient. Another key feature is the pipeline and task management. Be in Touch CRM offers a visual pipeline that shows the status of all clients from lead generation to closing. Task management features allow users to assign tasks, set deadlines, and monitor progress. The pipeline view gives an organized, at a glance understanding of each client's journey, making it easy to identify where they stand in the process. Task management reduces the risk of missing important deadlines, ensuring a smooth process from start to finish. Another key feature is the text and email integration. Be in Touch integrates email and text communication directly into the CRM, allowing users to send and receive messages without switching platforms. This feature supports both individual and group messaging. So by centralizing communication, Be in Touch helps brokers keep track of all client interactions, reducing the chance of miscommunication or missed follow-ups. The ability to communicate through the platform helps maintain accurate records and streamline outreach report efforts. Another key feature is reporting and analytics. Be in Touch provides reporting tools that deliver insights into lead sources, conversion rates, campaign effectiveness, and team performance. Customizable reports can be generated to track key performance metrics. So, data driven insights enable mortgage professionals to understand what's working and where improvements are needed. These reports help in refining marketing strategies, improving client interactions, and increasing team productivity. Another key feature is the integration with mortgage tools. Bntouch is compatible with several popular mortgage tools, enabling seamless data transfer and reducing redundant data entry. By integrating with mortgage software, Bntouch streamlines workflows, enhances data accuracy, and makes it easier to manage client information from one platform. So the benefits of using Bntouch CRM for mortgage professionals. Bntouch CRM is designed with the unique demands of mortgage professionals in mind. It eliminates manual tasks, enhances client communication, and provides valuable insights that can help loan officers and brokers grow their business. By centralizing tasks and client information, it enables teams to work more collaboratively and stay organized. With Be in Touch, mortgage professionals can focus more on client relationships and less on administrative details, ultimately increasing customer satisfaction and conversion rates. Bntouch CRM stands out as a powerful tool for mortgage professionals with features tailored to handle industry specific needs. Whether you're managing a single office or a team of brokers, Bntouch's combination of lead management, automated marketing, and robust reporting can significantly enhance productivity and client satisfaction. By automating communication and centralizing data, it helps reduce errors, save time, and provide a more cohesive experience for both brokers and clients. For mortgage professionals looking to streamline their operations, improve client relationships, and increase efficiency, Be in Touch CRM offers a comprehensive solution that grows with your business. So basically, if you need more information about Be in Touch, you can always go to their website. So they have all of the features that they provide right here. You can also compare the pricing. So as you can see, there are three different pricings for the individual, team, and enterprise. So from here, you'll see a bunch of different features that all of this plan offer. So just make sure to read all of the benefits or the features that this plan offers to make sure that you will avail the plan that suits your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.